Most people get this wrong. They think money-making apps on Android are some kind of instant cash machine. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, these apps are real, but they only work when you understand how they actually generate money and how you earn from them step by step. In this video, you'll discover the best money-making apps for Android in 2026, how they pay users, and how people like Alex and Ria are using them to build small but steady side income. Let's get straight into it. First, you need to understand the three main types of money-making apps: reward apps, task apps, and passive apps. Each one has a different earning system, and none of them are designed to replace a full-time income. Now here's where it gets interesting. Reward apps are the most common. They pay you for simple actions like watching ads, answering surveys, or trying new offers. One well-known platform in this space is Swagbucks. Users earn points for everyday online activities and redeem them for PayPal Cash or gift cards. But here's the problem most beginners face. They expect high earnings from each task. In reality, each task pays small amounts, but consistency is what turns it into something useful. People who check in daily earn far more over time than people who randomly use the app. Now let's move to task-based earning apps. These apps give you small jobs like testing apps, filling surveys, or completing micro-offers. Imagine someone like Jake using his Android phone during breaks at college. He completes short tasks in 5 to 10 minutes and slowly builds up his balance. It doesn't feel like work, but it adds up. Now here's the third category, and this is where things become more interesting. Passive earning apps. These apps run in the background or reward long-term activity. Some pay you for sharing unused internet data, some for walking, and others for simple daily engagement. Once set up, they require very little effort. But here's the reality check you need to understand. None of these apps will make you rich or replace your job. If any app promises that, it is not realistic. The real value comes from stacking multiple apps and using them consistently in your spare time. So what actually works best in 2026? If you want quick small rewards, survey and task apps are best. If you want semi-passive income, background apps are better. And if you want long-term accumulation, content-based platforms or referral systems can give higher potential. The key is simple. Treat these apps as side income tools, not main income sources. To wrap it up, the best money-making apps for Android in 2026 are real. But they only work when you stay consistent, avoid unrealistic expectations, and use more than one app together. If this helped you, hit like, comment which app you want reviewed next, and subscribe for more honest earning breakdowns like this.